Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I'm Viknesh and in this video we will continue to explore the command line tool of cloud storage bucket called gcloud storage. In the previous video we have explored gsutil, that is also a command line tool which is dedicated to work with Google Cloud storage buckets, but Google Cloud these days they are recommending to use gcloud storage itself instead of gsutils. And in this video, we are going to explore the cat command provided by Google Cloud Platform. And without any delay, let's get started. So what is the main use of this gsutil storage cat command? So cat command is mainly used to see the output or whatever the content which is present inside that storage object. So gcloud storage cat outputs the content of one or more URLs to stdout. So you will be able to just view whatever which is present inside that object file. Let it be CSV or let it be JSON, text file or any script file. You will be able to view whatever which is present inside that particular object. So right away, we will get into the console and start with our lab. So this is the console and I'll be using this particular project for this demo. I'll be opening my Cloud Shell, basically Cloud Editor. You can just click on this, go to terminal, new terminal, go here, copy this project ID and we can use this gcloud config set project and project ID. Before that, I'll go here and I'll create one cloud storage bucket. So just click on this, go to cloud storage, click on this create. I'll give this bucket name and let all the other details be same. I'll just confirm it. So our cloud storage bucket is ready. Now this is the CSV file which I'll be using for this demo. We'll copy this file to our cloud storage bucket. You can just go right click on it, get the copy part, gsutil copy and then the bucket name. So gsutil also it is supported and gcloud storage is also supported. And in this lab, we'll be using this gcloud storage. So this cloud storage bucket, sorry, the C object file will be present inside this cloud storage bucket. I'll just do one refresh and you will be able to see this CSV file. Just click on this. You can see the type, size, creator, loss modified, all the details. And this is the gsutil URL. First, you wanted to see what is present inside that CSV file. In order to do that, you can use the gcloud storage cat and just copy, like whatever you copied the CSV file path, you can just hit enter. And you will be able to see all the details which is present inside that .csv file. The next command is if there are multiple CSV files. Let's say we have two more CSV files like this. Let's assume there are multiple .csv files. So how you will be able to view it? So the same command gcloud storage cat gs and the bucket name just enter. So whatever CSV files we have, right, every files will be listed here. We have only one CSV file, but if you have more than one CSV file also, right, you will be able to list it out here. So the following command outputs a short header describing CSV file, like whatever file it is. So you can just copy this gcloud storage cat and -d option will give you the short header description. Gcloud storage cat -d and you can just hit enter. So here you can see the option, and if you wanted to know more about that command, right, you can use this gcloud storage cat -help and you can just hit enter. You'll be able to see all the details. So gcloud storage cat output the content of one or more URLs to stdout and you can see all the options like -d prints the header before each object and additional header we have range, so we'll be using this range. So this is the option which we have used in this command. So the following output command, like if you wanted to see the bytes, like from a particular byte to some byte, right, if you wanted to give that range, then you can use this option -r. So gcloud storage cat -r and this is the range, basically range. So if you wanted to know more about that, just hit enter and you'll be able to find this r. So here you can see -range or -r. So causes gcloud storage to output just the specified byte range of the object, and we'll just paste it here. So here you can see gcloud storage cat -r range between bytes. So bytes from 0, 20, 56 to 139. I'll be listing all that whichever falls in that particular range. That everything will be displayed here. So here you can see the output of this particular command. And the next command is like if you wanted to list a particular range, so you can use that range as well byte. So I'll just copy this gcloud storage cat hyphen r hyphen 5. So just first last 5 digit. That is what we are going to display. So here you can see 95. So like this will be a bit confusing and we will be not using that much. But if you wanted to check the byte of a particular CSV file, right, you can use this gcloud storage ls command hyphen l. Copy this and paste it, right. This will give you the total byte of this particular CSV file. So gcloud storage ls, and here you can see total one object and it has 3652. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be seeing different gcloud storage command. If you have any questions, please post that in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics. Happy learning.